The Perseids are coming. The Perseids Meteor Shower is coming August 11th through 12th, 2024, and it's coming up soon. This celestial event will give you meteor showers, and this is when this entire event peaks, so it's going to be amazing. But what exactly is the Perseids Meteor Shower? What causes meteor showers in the first place, and what's the science behind it, and how will you be able to view it from where you are? Well, in this episode, I'm going to take you behind the science of the Perseids Meteor Shower, meteor showers in general, and tell you more about how you can view this amazing and spectacular celestial event happening soon. Let's get right into the science. Let's go! Before we get into the science of the Perseids and how to watch them and more, let's first review how these meteor showers even happen. Well, these meteor showers are caused by meteors entering Earth's atmosphere, and as they enter Earth's atmosphere at such high speeds, they eventually burn up and create the light and streaks of light, also known as shooting stars, that you see in the night sky. And the reason you're able to see these meteor showers is because of all this debris. Now, where does this debris come from? Well, it comes from comets. Comets are large balls of ice and dust and space rocks hurling through space. And what happens is that they release this debris as they go through the solar system or orbit around the solar system. And this debris eventually enters Earth's atmosphere, and that's what causes all these meteor showers and spectacular light shows in the sky to happen. It's because of all these different comets that are able to deposit all this material into the Earth's atmosphere. Eventually it picks it up, and that's how this entire system works. It's all thanks to all these comets and the Earth's atmosphere as it burns in. Now, what about the Perseids? What kind of comet causes the Perseids meteor shower? Well, it's comet Swift-Tuttle, and it was discovered by Horace Tuttle and James Swift. And this comet is very special because all the debris that comes from it causes the Perseids meteor shower, which is known as the summer meteor shower because it lasts from any time between July and September. But in August is when this meteor shower peaks. You see, all this debris from this specific comet is traveling so fast and gets so hot in the Earth's atmosphere, and as that happens, more and more debris collects and it starts entering Earth's atmosphere, heats up so hot, goes so fast, and that's what causes all these streaks in the night sky. Now, what is this peak? Well, this peak basically means there are going to be more meteors per hour, meaning that there's more debris in the Earth's atmosphere or above the Earth's atmosphere for more meteors to form. And that peak is going to happen this August 11th through 12th, and you can see this at night. We'll get more into about viewing instructions and everything later, but these meteor showers, they are truly spectacular events, and since they're caused by comets, and even though they originate from distant space, we're still able to see these comets as they enter Earth's atmosphere because all these meteors, which are tiny little pieces of the comet itself, are entering Earth's atmosphere. Now, what gives these meteor showers their name? Well, Perseid, that's just a name. And what it comes from is the constellation it originates from. It's called the Radiant. And the Radiant, or the constellation that it appears to originate from Earth, when you're able to see in the night sky, it originates from the constellation Perseus. That's where all the meteors originate, and it appears to originate. Remember, this doesn't mean that the meteors itself originate from the constellation. No, it doesn't mean that. It means that in the night sky, when you look up in the night sky, the constellation Perseus is where all of these Perseid meteor shower and meteors appear to be coming from. And that's how it got its name, Perseid Meteor Shower. The summer meteor shower that is visible all around the world, especially in North America, this August 11th through 12th. Now, let's get into some viewing instruction and viewing tips on how to see this amazing shooting star episode or this amazing meteor shower. You see, the Perseids are best viewed at night, like anything else, and especially since the moon has to set. Any other light pollution will dilute your ability to see all these meteors, so you should find a place that doesn't have light pollution, because if there's more light, you won't be able to see the meteors and the shooting stars themselves. Also, you should also grab a flashlight just in case you get lost outside because sometimes it can get dark. That's a really good safety tip. But other than that, you should just look up at the night sky and hopefully your eyes will start to adjust and you'll be able to see these Perseid meteor showers happening anytime between August 11th through 12th, especially at night and after 12 a.m. I know it's kind of late to stay up, not late, but the meteor showers are truly spectacular events, and you won't want to miss this. Remember, this is the peak of the meteor shower, August 11th through 12th, after 12 a.m. your local time, and you're able to see all these meteors, especially after the moon sets. Now, this isn't the last time you'll be able to see the Perseids. This is just the peak of this entire meteor shower system, and it lasts any time between July and September. So you'll still have a chance to catch a few of these meteors, but you have a higher chance of seeing all these meteors in August, August 11th through 12th, and it's truly a spectacular event. I haven't seen a meteor shower myself, so I'm really excited for this, and I'm trying to take some pictures as well. And if you all have any pictures that you take of the Perseids meteor shower, please don't hesitate to share it with me. Go to spectacularsci.com/contact to find our email address, podcast@spectacularsci.com. There you can send me all of your amazing pictures, and if there's some of my favorites, I'll definitely post them on this website so everyone can see them. So thank you so much, and I highly encourage you to watch this amazing and spectacular light show up in the night sky. Alright, let's review what we learned in this episode, and hopefully we can catch a glimpse of the Perseids. Alright, what did we learn in this episode? We learned that meteor showers are caused by debris from comets, and the Perseids are caused by debris from the comet Swift-Tuttle. And as this comet passes through the solar system and passes around the solar system, all this debris is distributed and eventually it starts entering Earth's atmosphere, and that's what causes these meteor showers. The Perseids meteor shower is called the Perseids because it appears to originate from the constellation Perseus from Earth. Remember, it originates from the comets, but as you see it from Earth, it looks like it's coming from the Perseus constellation in the night sky. Now, these Perseids are very special because they can be visible throughout July, August, and September. And the peak of this is August 11th through 12th, 2024. And that's why we're so excited to see the Perseids. Now, how you can watch these Perseids is just by finding a dark spot without light pollution, just looking up at the night sky, especially after the sun and moon have set below the horizon. Those will increase your viewing chances, and hopefully you'll get to see one of these spectacular meteor showers. I know I'll definitely be looking up at the night sky to try to find some of these amazing meteors. Thank you so much for listening to this episode of Spectacular Science. Spectacular Science produced and hosted by me, Ashish Raman. Our theme song and additional music are by Chan Ramachandran. Please visit my podcast website, spectacularsci.com, to find interactive activities, articles, and blog posts. That's spectacularsci.com. Do you have a science question you want to answer on a Spectacular Science episode and get a special shout out? Well, grab an adult and head over to spectacularsci.com/contact. There you can find a contact form where you can send me your amazing science questions. Thank you so much. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this podcast where we're listening right now. It really encourages me, and you'll be up to all the new episodes. So subscribe and share this podcast with your friends and family. Thank you so much. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you in September with new Season 8 and brand new episodes of Spectacular Science. Keep thinking about science, and we'll see you in Season 8. Let's go!